Welcome to ultimatedrumming.com. I'm Jim McCall. I'm going to show you this really great sound in double paradiddle combination. First, I'm going to play it for you. I'm going to break it down note by note and show you how it works. A 1, a 2, a 3. When playing these really cool sounding paradiddle patterns, you got to be thinking the double paradiddle. The sticking on the double paradiddle is right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Now I'm playing these in an eighth note triplet form, so I would count these evenly, 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 evenly. But since the sticking for the double paradiddle is a little bit tricky, it makes sense to say the sticking out loud as you play it while trying to maintain the triplet feel. I'm going to play it on the snare drum. It's going to go like this. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Evenly, 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 evenly. In this pattern, I'm separating the hands. I'm playing the right hand on the closed hi-hat or the ride cymbal. I'm playing the left hand on the snare drum. It's going to go like this. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left. The bass drum is going to be placed on the quarter notes. So if I'm playing these double paradiddles in triplet form, that means I'm placing the foot on every E that I say, or on the numbers. It's going to go like this. Evenly, 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 evenly. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Evenly, evenly, evenly. Now the idea is to get comfortable with that so you can pick up a little speed. Evenly, 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 evenly. Now once you get comfortable with the double paradiddle, we're going to combine it with a shuffle beat. Smart practice to try 2 measures double paradiddle, 2 measures shuffle beat, 2 measures double paradiddle, 2 measures shuffle beat. Something like this. 1, a 2, a 3. And there it is, another excellent rhythmic combination you can add to your drumming library. I'm Jim McCall, and thanks for using ultimatedrumming.com.